Over the last few years, there has been a rapid rise in the number of cyclists across America. Among the key reasons compelling more and more people to use bicycle to their offices, is the fact that it is an excellent way to keep your body toned, and in perfect shape. Cycling on a daily basis keeps the body fit and heart healthy. It is also an eco-friendly option to get anywhere. Furthermore, very few maintenance is required for keeping the cycle in perfect condition all the time. When compared to other transportation modes, bicycle is a cost-effective option that saves you time as well as getting you to your destination, without waiting on public transport. While cycling is an exercise that's full of joy and elation, dragging a faulty bike is a real pain for anyone. Taking the bike to the bike repair shop and waiting there while it is being serviced is a challenge that no cyclist would like to take up ever. Imagine a situation when you are stranded on your way to the office because the wheel got sluggish and wobbly, or if there is any other fault in the bike. Would you like the idea of taking the bike to repair shop instead of going to the office? Of course not. Call the bicycle mechanics and have the experts fix your bike. These bike services are your preferred go-to. For convenience and service, you will save much time and effort in having your bike repaired and serviced. They do understand the importance of your time and, therefore, strive to make bike services and repairs as hassle-free and memorable as possible. Once you have called up these mechanics, they will come out with all their tools to repair or fix your bike. On the website of these mechanics, you can find detailed information about their services and other offerings. Add to the glamour and performance of your bike with trendy and sturdy bike accessories available online. To learn more, click the link in this video description below. www.sellsbikerepairs.com